Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and my channel is based on my Jtru design business, and I also occasionally do DIYs, which I have done in my last video, so go check that out. So in this video I'll be showing you the usual. I'll be filming myself work and what kind of stuff I design and make and get them posted out. I do hope you enjoy this video. Please do like and subscribe if you want to see more of these type of videos in the future. So I'll see you in a bit. So I have finally finished these baubles. These ones are going out to one buyer, and these three are going out to one buyer. So these are like for grandparents and families, so need to package them up. Hey guys, I just got a parcel through the post and I have already opened it up, but I haven't unwrapped it yet. I ordered a diary for myself, so let's unwrap it together. So this is how it came, with some lovely wrapping paper, and she also had a little thank you card here. It says hey you, and it says make some magic, and she's got her social media here. Okay, so let's unwrap it. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. I think she designed this herself and probably got it printed. Just looking through it right now, and it's gorgeous. I love the format of it, and the pages feel really nice. So I'm very pleased with my diary, and I'm going to write down what I need to do for next year, and it should be all good stuff. These are all the washi tapes I have to use to stick down the cake toppers. I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like button down below, just to show me that you appreciate these type of videos, and hopefully my video gets out to more people. I always place this side behind this cardboard just for extra protection. Now it's the next day and I had all these orders for a mug set, and I'm going to get them all dispatched today. And I also made this single one for someone's granny. I hope you like it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys, I made this little Scotty dog for a customer. I never usually have this in black. I usually make this in red or grey, but the customer requested for black and it actually looks really nice, so I think I'll add that as another option in my shop. It's so cute, and it's got a little string here you can hang on a tree. So I'm just going to package this up right now. I also just finished making this Gingerbread Man, and in my can't remember what studio vlog I showed some of these gingerbread men I made. They are hand sewn. I've just received the order for these handmade gift tags, and the customer wanted a mixture of all of these colours in a pack of 10, so I'll show you how I make them in a moment. So I've got these glitter cardstock, and what I do is I always save these little bits that I cut off from all my other projects, and I just make use of them and just cut them to size to put a little strip down here. And that's why, yeah, never throw away these scrap papers, because they will come handy at some point, and you can even make confettis with them. So these are all done now. Look at these. So simple to make. Just finished making these set of baubles and I'm about to box them up. So I've got these little reindeer heads that I have pre-cut from last year. Just going to add them onto the gift tags. I've also added little gems to their faces. I use these little rhinestones that I have. So once these are dry, I'll package them up along with some other stuff. Hey guys, it's a Friday today and I'm trying my best to push out as many orders as possible, so you'll see me work really fast. I'm only joking, I'll fast forward some of the clips for you, but just wanted to show you what I worked on today. And since mid-November I've been going to the post office every day, and I do feel really grateful for all the orders I've received, no matter how small they are. And I know after Christmas it'll be a little bit more quiet, and that's cool with me because it gives me time to work on other things, and hopefully I can produce more new stuff for 2021. And if you guys have any suggestions on what type of stuff you would like to see more in my future videos, please do let me know in the comments down below. I do love to share what I make, and hopefully that can inspire some of you guys to make something really fun, or if you're looking to start a new business. So that is it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me work, and I do hope all the orders get out to my customers as quickly as possible because of all the delays. And I think in my next video I'll talk about the packaging stuff I use and where I get them from. Hopefully that will be useful to some of you guys. Also, I would like to show you the process of me designing my own packaging, which is very exciting, and I can't wait to show you that. I hope you have a happy holiday, and please do give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.